Before buying a portable solar panel for camping, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, ZooPow 100W Solar Panel. Let's kick things off with the ZooPow 100W Portable Solar Panel. Priced at $88.32, this panel caught my attention with its impressive 23.5% efficiency rate. If you want a reliable power source for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its high efficiency, the ZooPow panel can generate more energy even in low light conditions. It features a 5-in-1 universal connector that fits 99% of power stations, meaning you won't need to buy extra adapters. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, which gives you peace of mind during unpredictable weather. The built-in intelligent controller allows direct charging for devices like smartphones and tablets with 3 fast charging ports. In terms of usability, it folds down to a compact size for easy transport, weighing only 9.48 pounds. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it could be lighter. Here's the thing though, while 9.48 pounds might seem heavy, the durability and features it offers truly outweigh this drawback, especially if you're looking for a solid power source. This is perfect for you if you're a camper who needs a reliable panel that can withstand the elements. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra light, or if you plan to hike long distances every day. For its price and features, it definitely offers good value. Now, if the ZooPow's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a much lighter design.
Product number 2, Renogy 200-watt Portable Solar Panel. The Renogy 200-watt Portable Solar Panel, priced at $221.09. What caught my eye here is its impressive 25% efficiency, making it one of the most powerful options available. If you want to maximize your energy output while camping, this is a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 25% efficiency means you'll get more power from the same sunlight, ideal for those cloudy days or when you're in a limited space. It can charge 3 devices simultaneously, so you won't have to wait long to power your gadgets. The lightweight design packs down to a backpack size, making it super convenient for vehicle adventures. Plus, it's IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, so you can take it on all your outdoor excursions without worry. However, some customers noted that while it's lightweight, it's also slightly bulkier when packed compared to other models. Here's the thing though, given its power capacity, the extra bulk is worth it if you need that energy boost on your camping trips. This is perfect for you if you need a high-capacity panel that offers great output and portability. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to charge small devices occasionally. For the performance it delivers, I'd say it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget.
Product number 3, Gricel 100-watt Portable Solar Panel. Taking the 3rd spot is the Gricel 100-watt Portable Solar Panel, priced at just $79.99. I was drawn to this one because of its affordability and solid features. If you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this one's worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This panel is designed to work seamlessly with most solar generators, making it super convenient for campers. It boasts a high conversion efficiency and can deliver a maximum of 25 amps, which is impressive for its size. The foldable design makes it easy to transport, and it's made from durable, waterproof materials, ensuring it withstands outdoor conditions. Plus, you can even combine 2 panels for double the power output, which is great if you need more energy. Now, some users mentioned that it could take longer to charge larger devices. Here's the thing. If you're primarily using it for smaller gadgets like phones or tablets, it's perfectly sufficient, and the option to pair it with another panel makes it very adaptable. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious camper who wants reliable power. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty use or want rapid charging for larger appliances. For the price, it's hard to beat. Moving on, let's talk about a more compact solution that might be more suitable for quick charge needs.
Product number 4, Big Blue 28-watt Solar Panel Charger. The Big Blue 28-watt Solar Panel Charger, retailing at $67.46. This one really caught my eye with its compact size and dual USB outputs. If you need something lightweight and portable for quick charges while hiking, this might be perfect for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 28 watts, it's not meant for heavy devices, but it's perfect for charging phones, GPS, or power banks on the go. The dual USB ports allow you to charge 2 devices simultaneously, which makes it a handy companion during day hikes or short camping trips. Plus, it's lightweight and folds up nicely, fitting easily into any backpack. However, I noticed a few complaints about its charging speed in low light. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it during peak sunlight hours, you'll find it charges efficiently enough for daily use. This is perfect for you if you're a hiker or backpacker looking for lightweight, quick charging options. Skip this one if you need to charge larger devices or want something for extended off-grid use. For what it offers, it's a solid value for light use. Finally, let's check out a more powerful panel that's designed for those serious about off-grid adventures.
Product number 5, Gricel 200-watt portable solar panel. We have the Gricel 200-watt portable solar panel, priced at $149.99. This panel really impressed me with its 23.5% high conversion efficiency. If you need a powerful solution for serious camping, this one's a great pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its high efficiency and compatibility with 95% of power stations on the market, you can rely on this panel for everything from charging large devices to running appliances. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures that it can handle various weather conditions, making it durable for outdoor use. The 4 kickstands make setup a breeze, and it folds down for easy transport, weighing 16.5 pounds. Some users pointed out that the panel can be a bit heavy for some. Here's the thing, if you're camping in one spot for a while and need lots of energy, the weight shouldn't deter you from its powerful capabilities. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-capacity solar solution for extended camping trips. Skip this one if you're seeking a lightweight option for short hikes. For the features it offers, it's a great value. So to recap, we've explored a range of portable solar panels from budget-friendly options to high-capacity solutions, catering to different camping needs.
In summary, whether you're a casual camper or a full-on outdoor enthusiast, there's a portable solar panel out there for you. The Zoopwop is great for efficiency. Renogy offers top power. G-Gricel's 100 watts is budget-friendly. Big Blue is perfect for quick charges, and G-Gricel's 200 watts is ideal for serious off-grid adventures. Choose the one that fits your needs best.